If you haven't heard about black rice yet, girl, don't worry, you are not alone. I've been following my healthy diet for several years now, but I haven't heard about black rice until last summer when my aunt introduced me to it. But since then, I'm addicted. I did my research and I found out what an amazing superfood black rice is, and I also found an amazing recipe with coconut milk and fresh fruits. Hi guys, this is Agnes from Bites Fitness and this is our Food Fundamentals series. In this video we are talking about the nutritional powerhouse black rice and its health benefits. Black rice can be found in many cuisines around the world, though it is not as popular as white or brown rice. Shame though, since black rice have many nutritious benefits and we should all cook black rice more often. Black rice can be a great side dish, or you can make nice desserts of it as well. Black rice is full of nutrients. It is high in protein, fiber, iron, and antioxidants. Iron is a mineral vital to the proper function of hemoglobin, a protein needed to transport oxygen in the blood. Iron also has a role in a variety of other important processes in the body. Iron deficiency can cause diseases and malfunctions. Black rice is also high in antioxidants, especially anthocyanin, where it gets the purple color from, just like blueberries. Studies show that these antioxidants have strong anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer effects. Inflammation is a normal immune response of the body, but when it becomes chronic, it can be the cause of several illnesses like diabetes, cancer, and heart disease. Black rice is also rich in other antioxidants that can repair the damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. In fact, more than 23 other antioxidants were found in black rice besides anthocyanin. Some antioxidants in black rice support eye health and reduce the damage of the retina caused by free radicals. Black rice contains high amount of fiber. Fiber is important for overall health and also aids healthy digestion. It can reduce the risk of digestive issues and constipation. It can also play a part in controlling blood sugar levels and reduce blood sugar spike after eating. Black rice is naturally gluten-free, so it can be a great alternative for people with gluten sensitivity or just simply who wants to avoid gluten. I'm not sure where you can find black rice. You can definitely find it online, and I'm sure also some supermarkets stock it as well. I hope that you will go ahead now and buy some for yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, please sure to hit the thumbs up button and also send it to a friend who might like it as well. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the Bites Fitness YouTube channel because we post new videos every day. At Bites Fitness, we help those who are living a healthy lifestyle and make time to cook for themselves by providing health and nutrition information and healthy recipes. If you are interested, then make sure to subscribe to the Bites Fitness YouTube channel because we post new videos daily.